Adding a debit card on Bybit is a straightforward process that allows you to fund your account easily. Follow these steps to complete the process. Step 1. Log into your Bybit account. Visit the Bybit website or open the app and log in using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to the payment section. Once logged in, go to the Assets or Wallet section of your account. Look for the deposit option and select it to begin the process of adding your debit card. Step 3. Choose debit card as payment method. In the deposit options, select debit card as your preferred payment method. This will direct you to the section where you can enter your card details. Step 4. Enter your card information. Fill in the required information, including your debit card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid any issues during the transaction. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have completed these steps, your debit card will be linked to your Bybit account, allowing you to make deposits easily. If you encounter any issues, refer to Bybit support resources for assistance.